Hi guys, how to fix Steam corrupt disk error. Now, completely exit Steam. Don't just close the window. Right-click the Steam icon in your hidden icons tray and select Exit, or open Task Manager and end all Steam processes. This step is very important because Steam running in the background will block the fix. Search for Steam in your Windows search bar. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Here is the secret. Running as admin gives Steam permission to actually apply the changes you are about to make. Go to Steam Settings, select the Downloads tab, and click Clear Download Cache. Fair warning, you will need to log back into your account after this. Keep watching because the next step is the one that actually fixes your game. Right-click the problematic game in your library, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This scans for missing or corrupted files. It usually takes a few minutes, so don't panic. Go back to Steam Settings, select the Storage tab, click the three dots next to your drive, and choose Repair Library. That's the final piece. Hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video on fixing Steam download speed issues.